Hey guys, it's JT here from the NoCodeFounders community, and today I'm looking at Markup Hero, which is a screenshot and annotation tool, which basically allows you to take screenshots, annotate them, and then share them and collaborate with other people insanely easily. And it has a Mac app, Windows, Linux app, and a Chrome extension. And basically you can capture your ideas via screenshot. You can then annotate them using various tools. And then you can organize those, but then also the standout feature for me is this collaboration aspect where you get a shareable link, which you can either share for people to view or to annotate on themselves. And it's just a really simple way to be able to share screenshots and your work in a very easy way. And there's also some cool integrations, which we'll go into later as well. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, so here we are inside the dashboard where you land, and you have all your previous markups here, and then you have a few different options. So you've got the option to upload an image or a PDF. You can paste a link to an image or a web page here, or you can start with a blank canvas, which is just completely blank that you can start your annotations on. You can add images, etc. here. But one of the easiest ways to use Markup Hero is when you're actually just browsing the web or you're doing something else on your computer. And we either use the standalone desktop apps or the Chrome extension. So in this case, I'm using the Chrome extension. So we have the extension up here, and I have a few different options that I can select. So I can select an area screenshot where I'm going to drag a box. I can screenshot the whole tab. I can do a scrolling screenshot, which is going to scroll the entire page for me and do a screenshot of the whole page. A paginate scrolling screenshot, which is going to do the same thing, but it's also going to move between pages if there's pagination on the page. We can do a full screenshot of the entire desktop, or we can upload images from scratch. So in this case, let's go for the scrolling screenshot, and we're going to start seeing it scrolling. And then that's the screenshot done, and it's going to open up Markup Hero for us. So here's the screenshot. It's got the entire page for us. And then we can start annotating. So up here we have the various tools, and you can see there's a shortcut for toggling between different ones that we want to do to make things a bit quicker. So I've just added an arrow there by mistake actually, but I'll keep that. Say we want to add some text, we can just change to T, and if we watch up here, we'll see that changing over to the text one. We can add a text box in to say, we'll put title, and we can change things like the color of this to make it stand out a bit more. We also have tools like a call out arrow, which does both of these combined at the same time. And then we also have standard things like lines, pen if we want to do some drawing. And we can highlight, and we can change the thickness of that. Be more like that. And then we've got rectangle and oval tools as well, so we can check this out, make that a bit thinner, like that. And then we've got the ovals, and then we've also got functions like blurring, so we can apply a blur here, and we'll apply that. We can also insert images on top like this. And we can also add signatures if we want to as well. So if we put in, we can choose one of these pre-designed styles. That's up there. Change that to black. Make it larger. So we have all of these tools that we can use to annotate collectively. Then when we're ready to share, we have a few different options. So we can keep it private, so it's only us. We can set it to public so that anyone with a link can view it, or we can collab where users with a link can also annotate. So we select that, and then when we click share, we get the shareable link, which is copied to the clipboard, and we can just share that with anyone. They can come in and they can also start annotating on that as well. We also have a few other tools in here, so we can crop the entire canvas if we want to only keep a specific section, and we can rotate and select multiple things as well. So that's how the annotation side works. Now, if we come down here, we can see all the collaborators. At the moment, it's only myself. We can add and edit collections. So we might want to add marketing ideas as a collection. And so we can add that, and then we'll see this on the markups page. We'll see our collections if I refresh this page. The marketing ideas is now there. So these are basically like folders to organize our work. We can also star this to make it easier to find later. Back on this page, we can filter by all the starred ones, and we can also add pages as well. So we can have multiple pages within here. So let's add a blank page, and now we'll see there's 2 separate pages. So we can create a document of multiple markups to work on collaboratively. Now, if we head back over to our markups and go to integrations, there's a few integrations I wanted to show you. The first one's the Google Drive app, which allows us to open our markup files directly from within Google Drive. Then we have the Notion integration, which is a Chrome extension, which allows us to take the screenshots as normal, but we can also state where we'd like it to be saved in Notion, and that will save it automatically into Notion with a link, rather than having to do that later. So for Notion users, this is a really easy way to get screenshots into Notion. Then after this, we've also got the Slack app, which allows us to annotate directly from Slack. So if an image has been posted in Slack, we can select to annotate that file directly from within Slack. And then finally, we've also got the API. So for anyone who wants to add this functionality into their own app, it's possible to integrate this directly in with your own app experience and have annotation built directly in. So as I say, we have multiple ways to use Markup Hero. We've got the Mac app and Linux, Windows app, and then the Chrome extension, which is the one that I've been showing today. If you'd like to try out Markup Hero, you can go to MarkupHero.com and try it out for free. They also have a free plan that gives you 30 markups and the basic tools and features, or they have a pro plan, which is $5 a month, and that gives you unlimited uploads, unlimited Notion embeds, and unlimited edits and full access to all features. So try it out and let me know what you think. And until next time, I hope you have a great day.